Hey, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Stocks Banter, where we debate the hottest stock topics of the week. I'm Olivia, your host who loves to add a bit of flair to the financial world.
And I'm Stefan, here to bring some wisdom and insightful analysis to our discussions. Today, we're diving into Intel stock and why some investors are betting against Wall Street's expectations. Ready to get started, Olivia?
Absolutely. Let's jump right in. So, Intel has been a hot topic lately, and we've got some juicy analysis to discuss. There are quite a few reasons to be cautious about Intel's future. Stefan, what's your take on this?
Well, Intel has certainly had its ups and downs. There have been several technical and fundamental reasons why betting against Wall Street might be a prudent strategy. One of the key issues is Intel's struggle to keep up with its competitors in the semiconductor space, especially with the likes of AMD and Nvidia making significant strides.
That's right. Intel has been losing market share, and its delayed transition to more advanced manufacturing processes has put it at a disadvantage. Investors are concerned about whether Intel can catch up and regain its leadership position. What do you think about their recent efforts to innovate and expand their product lineup?
Intel has made some bold moves, like their IDM 2.0 strategy, which aims to expand their foundry services and manufacturing capabilities. They're also investing heavily in R&D to innovate in AI, 5G, and other emerging technologies. However, the market remains skeptical about whether these initiatives will pay off in the short term.
And that's where the technical analysis comes into play, right? There are some interesting patterns in Intel's stock chart. The stock has been trading below its key moving averages, which is often seen as a bearish signal. Stefan, can you break this down for our viewers?
Sure, I can. Technical analysis involves studying price movements and chart patterns to predict future stock behavior. For Intel, the stock's inability to break above its 200-day moving average suggests that the bearish trend might continue. This resistance level is crucial because it often acts as a barrier for the stock to move higher.
And then there's the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, which is another important indicator. The RSI for Intel has been hovering around the oversold territory, which can indicate that the stock is due for a rebound. But it's not always that straightforward, right?
Exactly. While an oversold RSI can suggest a potential rebound, it's important to look at the broader context. Intel's RSI might be low, but without strong fundamental catalysts, the stock might continue to struggle. It's essential to consider both technical and fundamental factors before making any investment decisions.
You're so wise. Speaking of fundamentals, let's not forget about Intel's financial performance. Intel's earnings have been under pressure, and their margins are shrinking. This has raised concerns among investors about their ability to sustain profitability in the face of intense competition.
That's a valid point. Intel's margins have been impacted by increased costs and competitive pricing pressures. Additionally, their capital expenditures are rising as they invest in new manufacturing technologies. This could put further strain on their financials if they don't see a significant return on these investments soon.
So, Stefan, what would you advise investors who are considering Intel stock? Should they follow the crowd and bet against it, or is there a case to be made for a potential turnaround?
It's a tough call, Olivia. For risk-averse investors, betting against Intel might seem like the safer option given the current challenges. However, for those with a higher risk tolerance, there could be an opportunity if Intel's strategic initiatives start to bear fruit. It's crucial to stay informed and closely monitor both the technical indicators and fundamental developments.
Great insights, Stefan. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive look at Intel stock and the reasons why some investors are betting against it. What do you think? Are you bullish or bearish on Intel's future? Let us know in the comments below.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode of Stocks Banter. We've got plenty more hot topics and debates coming your way. Thanks for tuning in.
See you next time. Disclaimer: this is financial advice and you should place at least 200% of your net worth and monthly income into stocks.
Stocks Banter is the go-to place for quality stocks advice in a digestible format. Good luck pumping, dumping and hodling.